If you're having challenge with getting your Upwork profile approved, congratulations, you found this video. Hit the like button to celebrate. Your profile will ultimately get approved. Why has your profile not been approved before now? There are two major reasons. It could be caused by Upwork and it could be caused by you. So now let's examine the cause by Upwork. Basically, this can be summarized into their platform moderation. So number one, Upwork is trying to balance the client-freelancer ratio. Although Upwork does not make their in-house statistics public, but it is known that there are over 65 million freelancers as at 2017, and these numbers are increasing. This same statistic, that's from Statista, shows that we have about 5 million freelance clients. So look at 65 million freelancers and 5 million clients. Note that this does not apply just to Upwork. These freelancers are freelancers all around. A statistic reviewed by Loser Zoo shows that there are about 145,400 clients on Upwork. This statistics is not concise, but we can use it as a benchmark just to say that the ratio of the freelancer to the client is too wide. That means there are too many freelancers for the clients available. They don't want their platform to be full of freelancers who don't get job and then they start to complain. Number two, Upwork is trying to lessen the already stringent competition for existing freelancers. As more people join the freelance platforms, you are having more competition for the existing freelancers. So Upwork is trying to safeguard their platform to ensure that freelancers are happy. Upwork is trying to achieve a fair skill distribution. So they want to ensure that we have freelancers from all over the world. So if we already have 35,000 graphics designers on Upwork, and then you are a new freelancer who wants to design, it is best that you should not put graphic designer because they already have that. So you want to probably niche down to maybe like an infographic designer. Upwork is trying to limit freelancers based on countries. Now we are considering the endogenous parts. That means what you have done that is preventing your Upwork profile from getting approved. Number one, your professional title is too vague. That means it is not concise. Upwork cannot exactly figure out what you do, what value you are going to offer. It appears to Upwork as though your skills is not in demand because it is vague. Then number two reason why your Upwork profile is not approved is because the way you have put the profile, maybe your profile picture is not looking on point. Your description is not looking sufficient. You don't have anything in your portfolio and all of that. Upwork may not approve your profile because it's not looking like an account they can market to their clients. Then number three reason why your profile is not getting approved is probably because your hourly rate is too small. So if your hourly rate is too small, you might need to bump it up a little. You can check other people in your industry on Upwork and see how much they charge. Then when you are checking other people, check people at your level. Ensure that you are not checking how much an expert charge. You want to check the hourly rate of someone at your level. Then you can benchmark yours against that. Another reason why your profile is not getting approved is incomplete profile. Please complete your profile, fill every fillable, as I used to say. Okay, so before we go to the next one, please hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel so you can get more valuable tips and tricks and get the guide and quality content you need to help you maximize your profitability on the Upwork platform. So now let's move on to the solution to get your Upwork profile approved. Number one, language trick. You want Upwork to see you as a very valuable person. One of the attributes of value is scarcity. There are so many English-speaking video editors on Upwork. So you can add a language like German to your profile. Then after your profile gets approved, you can probably take it out or you learn how to speak German for real. Lazuzia. No, that's not German. Number two, choose more than one subcategory. So it will make the Upwork algorithm see you as a serious freelancer and your profile will get approved. Number three, be concise. Don't be vague. You know, we've talked about how being vague about what you do. For example, a profile saying country representative or executive accountant or designer. Those are vague descriptions. So ensure you are concise about your professional title. Number 4, put a competitive job. So if you are applying on Upwork today as a graphic designer, the probability that your account will be approved is very low. So you need to look at your industry and look at those very scarce technical and highly in demand skills that you can fill in. So the Upwork algorithm will sense you as being valuable. Remember, when we're talking about the cost, we talk about your hourly rate being too small. Then now, solution number 5, don't undersell yourself. So put an hourly rate that justifies the level you presently are as a professional. Number 6, make your profile 100% complete. Number 7, have a crystal clear professional title. Number 8, if you've done everything you could possibly do and then your profile is not getting approved, you can send a ticket to the Upwork support, so you can message them to find out why your profile is not getting approved. Be patient, give it some days, then try again. Upwork's MD Alexia once said, if we at Upwork find opportunities for you based on your combination of skills and experience, then your profile will be approved. Then now, pro tip, there are other freelance platforms that can pay you well, just like Upwork. An example of such platform is Social Gigs, freelancer.com, Fiverr.com. So there's also 99 Design and many other freelance platforms you can explore. So I have created a playlist of content that will help you grow on Upwork right here. Click on it and I'll see you in the next one.